The world is built around return on investment. So what's the ROI for a typical Rovex job? Return on investments can vary. We like to do a process analysis, an energy process analysis, prior to any work, so we can have a good idea what your recovery will be. You can use that, obviously, as a client. You can take that to senior management and say, look, we want to do this cleaning. This is helping our case. We're going to make X dollars back if we do this cleaning work. And there's the cost of the cleaning, which is only Y amount of dollars. So there's usually a good payback. We've had paybacks range from, say, 1 month to 9 months. And if it gets greater than 9 months, we start to look a little bit closer at it as to why that is. It may not be a suitable heater. It may be a heater in a very simple process. And we have cleaned those heaters as well, where payback, realistically, we look at and say, well, it's going to take 3 years to get payback on this. But the client will say, yes, but I want to do maintenance and I want to be prepared, and I want the best running system that I can have. So although your payback might be 3 years on a particular application, we want it to be running efficiently, and therefore future-proofing our actual process itself. But in general, we're looking at months, not years, for payback.